In this video, I'll show you how to fix the remote control of your Sony AV receiver if it's not responding, if it's not working properly. I'll show you a few different things to check and try. So the first thing, I always suggest you replace the battery with fresh ones. Even if these batteries are at, let's say, 25% left, sometimes the remote control will start acting up, even if there's energy left in them. So change them with fresh one and try this out. For tip number 2, remove your batteries if, let's say, it's still not working. After you remove the batteries, you're going to turn the remote around and you're going to press the power button during at least 30 seconds. We're going to drain all the remaining energy, electricity from the board inside of the remote control. After 30 seconds, you can release. Next, what you can do is, to press every single button very hard like this. Why we're doing this? It's because over time there's dust, there's debris that get accumulated under the buttons. And usually if one of these buttons, let's say, have a hair or dust, too much dust accumulated and does not make contact, the whole remote control will stop working. So we don't know which button is causing the issue, possibly. And if you don't want to open up this remote to clean it internally, what you can do is really press hard every button, trying to dislodge the dirt that may be trapped. So every single button, press it at least 5 times really hard. All right, do this for the whole unit, and fortunately after doing this, the dust or whatever was forbidding making contact will be gone, or at least moved around so it works properly. Next, put back the batteries. And try your remote control. Fortunately, after doing this, everything will work as usual and you'll be good to go. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. If you're still having issues, I'll put links in the description if you want to get a replacement remote control for your Sony AV receiver. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.